Managing to successfully diet and exercise when obese can seem like an impossibility. However, it must be remembered that the only way to escape from the problems and restraints of obesity is to tackle it head on with a good exercise and healthy eating plan. Our nutrition manager, Pratigya Subramaniam, tells us how.
Very important, the exercise that you do has to correlate with the diet that you eat, because the right way to lose weight, to lose fat basically as we call it, is by reducing the input and increasing the output, which means your input is what you eat. So the amount of calories that you're eating has to go down and the amount of calories that you're burning has to go up. Now this is what we basically work towards. So if you're burning 1000 calories and you're eating 1500, you're obviously going to gain weight because your 500 excess calories of cardio, what you're eating, is going to result in weight gain. We have to reverse this process. What we have to do is you have to eat less and you have to burn more. So very important that the diet has to be planned. Of course, there can be no one diet given for everyone. It's very personalized. It has to be based on your requirement, the degree of obesity, whether you need to lose 10 grams or 10 kilos, of fat, or you need to lose 20 kilos of fat. What is it that you're working towards? Most people consider only your direct fat wo dekh rahe hain, that means amount of oil and butter that they have. But there are a lot of hidden fats which are basically there in foods. Nuts and oilseeds have a lot of fats in them. Foods which are cooked with a lot of oil. Things like pastries and cookies and biscuits which are made with a lot of fat. These things we need to cut down in our diet because this contributes to overall excess fat intake, excess caloric intake, which we have to actually reduce. At the same time, the exercise has to be governed in the same way. It has to be regulated so that fat burning is happening. So people need to do the right kind of workout. It has to be a combination of cardiovascular exercises along with strength training. Cardio, why? Because cardio actually helps you burning fat. It's a direct fat burning. You work at the correct target heart rate, which we call as, you need to work out this. What is your target heart rate? You need to be in something known as a fat burning zone. Once you're in that fat burning zone, the cardio that you're doing, your body is actually helping you burn fat. This should be done for at least, 25 to 40 minutes whenever you're exercising, maybe every day or at least 4 times in a week. Because only after 20 minutes of a continuous cardio exercise does your body actually start burning fat. The first 20 minutes, it's basically blood glucose which is used to give you energy. So if you do a cardio for 20 minutes and you stop, you're only going to feel hungry because you burnt all the glucose in your blood, but you haven't reached to burning fat basically. Very important. Strength training is equally important because when you're losing weight, when you're losing fat, you don't want to get flabby, you don't want to have loose skin, you want to have a nice toned muscular, physique, a body basically. So very important to do strength training at the same time.
For more videos on health and diet, log on to onlymyhealth.com.